Hello, my dear students. Lucas Commerce Academy, the power of accounting, welcomes you. Today, let us discuss the treatment of bill. Okay, treatment of bill. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, treatment of bill. After receiving the bill from the drawee, the drawer can treat the same bill in any one of the four ways. Number one, the drawer retains the bill until its due date. So, drawer retains the bill until its due date. Second one, when bill is discounted. Third one, when bill is endorsed. Fourth one, when bill sent to bank for collection. Okay. So this is the treatment of bill. Number one, the drawer retains the bill until its due date. The second one, when bill is discounted with his bank. Third, when bill is endorsed. Fourth, when bill sent to bank for collection. So this is the treatment of bill in respect of drawer. Okay. So let us discuss one by one. The first one is retains the bill. That means the drawer retains the bill with him till the due date and present it to the drawee and get the amount on the bill. So this is the first case. That means the drawer retains the bill from 1st January 2024 to April 4th. On this date, the bill is presented to B and get the amount from B. Okay, so this is the treatment of bill under first case. Okay, so in this regard, how to pass journal entries in the books of drawer and drawee. So we continue the same example. Okay, so once again, on 1st January 2024, A sold goods to B for rupees 10,000 for 3 months and drew a bill on B for the same amount. B accepted the bill and returned it to A. The bill is honored on its due date. So, how to pass journal entries in the books of drawer and drawee? Okay. First, take books of drawer. So, what are the journal entries are to be passed in the books of the drawer? So, the first one is when goods is sold on 1st January 2024. So goods sold to B. So that means B's account data to sales account. That means drawee account data to sales account. Then on the same date, Mr. A drew a bill on B. The journal entry for this is bills receivable account data to drawee account. That means B's account. So this entry is to be passed for when bills receivable received from drawee. So the journal entry is bills receivable account data to B's account or drawee account. So next third entry when bill is honored on April 4th. On April 4th when bill is honored, that means we are receiving the amount from B. So that means cash or bank account data to bills receivable account. So cash or bank account data to bills receivable account are not from B's account. So these are the three journal entries are to be passed in the books of the drawer. So that means when goods sold to B, drawee account data to sales account. When bills receivable received from drawee, bills receivable account data to drawee account. Next, when bill is honored on its due date, that means April 4th, cash or bank account data to bills receivable account. So these are the three journal entries are to be passed in the books of the drawer. Then come to drawee. So what are the journal entries are to be passed in the books of drawee. Okay, so the first one is on 1st January 2024 when goods purchased from A. So that means purchases account debtor to drawer, that means A's account. Second one, on the same date the bill is accepted. The journal entry for bill is accepted, then means A's account debtor or drawer account debtor to bills payable account. Drawer account debtor to bills payable account. Next, on due date, bill is honored. So that means we are going to pay the amount to A. So that means bills payable account debtor to cash or bank account. So these are the three journal entries are to be passed in the books of drawee. Okay, so this is the first case. Okay, so retains the bill. The drawer retains the bill until its due date and presented it to B and get the amount from B. This is the first case. Okay, so let me give you a recap. Okay, written promise or written statement is known as bill. It is bills receivable for the drawer. It is an asset for him. The same written statement is bills payable to the drawee. It is a liability for him. There are three parties to bills of exchange: drawer, drawee, and payee. Drawer means the person who draws or who makes the bill. He is seller or creditor. Drawee. Drawee means the person on whom the bill is drawn. He is acceptor or debtor or purchaser. Payee. Payee means the person who receives the amount on the bill is known as payee. Sometimes drawer is the payee, sometimes may not. Okay, so if A directs B to pay the amount to C, in that case C is the payee. Okay, next, due date. Due date means the date on which the bills becomes due for payment. So in our example, due date equal to April 1st plus 3 days equal to April 4th is the due date. Okay, so these 3 days are known as days of grace. We are allowing these 3 days to drawee to arrange the funds. Okay, then treatment of bill. After getting the bill from the drawee, then the drawer can treat in any one of the four ways. The first one is retains the bill until its due date, when bill is discounted, when bill is endorsed, when bill is sent to bank for collection. So in first case, we have passed journal entries in the books of drawer and drawee. In the books of drawer, what are the journal entries? Goods sold to drawee, bills receivable received from drawee, bill is honored. These are the three journal entries. Similarly, in the books of drawee, number one, when goods purchased, when bill is accepted, when bill is honored. Okay, got. So then in next video, we are going to discuss when bill is discounted with his bank by the drawer. So till then, thank you very much.